Hey everybody, Alan with Rebe Homes Team here, and I am with Andrew Davidson with New Standard Cleaning, and we're here today doing some ductwork cleaning, and actually one of my properties, but I wanted to show you this. I'm a little embarrassed to show you this, but it's for real. If you want to bring that camera up here, take a look in this bucket, and look at all that debris, all that dust, all that dirt, all that silt, sand, whatever. That was all gathered out from the ducts in the house. So I just wanted to thank Andrew and let you guys know about him. And Andrew, let him know what else you do also. I know you do the ductwork cleaning to
So we do ductwork cleaning, we do dryer vent cleaning, and we do all types of floor cleaning. So carpet cleaning, tile and grout, natural stone, you name it. So we're located out of Queen Creek. Our number is 602-620-7125, and again, it's New Standard Cleaning.
Perfect. Thanks, Mimi Cleaning. Andrew's your guy. Thank you.